When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and security of your home in Southlake, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is exterior lighting. Well-placed and strategically designed lighting can transform your outdoor spaces, providing not only visual appeal but also improved functionality and safety. While DIY exterior lighting may seem tempting, hiring a professional for exterior lighting installation ensures that you get the best results for your investment. A professional lighting service can guide you in choosing the right fixtures, optimizing their placement, and ensuring that your home's lighting is both efficient and stylish. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of professional exterior lighting installation in Southlake, demonstrating why this investment is worth every penny. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetics. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of professional exterior lighting installation is the boost in curb appeal. The right lighting can dramatically change the way your home looks at night, highlighting key architectural features, landscaping, and outdoor elements. Accentuating architectural details. Professional lighting can accentuate the unique features of your home, such as its facade, entryway, or architectural details. Lighting can be used to highlight pillars, arches, or any other distinctive design features, giving your home an elegant and sophisticated appearance after dark. Landscaping highlighting. Well-placed lighting can showcase your garden, trees, and shrubs. By illuminating your landscaping, you create a welcoming atmosphere and add a layer of beauty that can be appreciated even in the evening hours. Professional lighting installation can provide the right balance of lighting to emphasize the beauty of your outdoor spaces. This aesthetic improvement not only boosts the visual appeal of your home but also enhances its value, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Increased safety and security. Exterior lighting does more than just beautify your home. It also plays a vital role in safety and security. By illuminating your outdoor spaces, you can reduce the risk of accidents and deter unwanted intruders. Brightening walkways and pathways. Professional installation of pathway lighting ensures that walkways, driveways, and stairs are clearly visible at night. This can prevent accidents, especially in areas that are prone to slips or trips. Adequate lighting makes it easier for family members and guests to safely navigate your outdoor spaces after dark. Dissuading criminal activity. Homes that are well lit are less likely to be targeted by burglars or vandals. A well-designed lighting scheme can make your property appear more occupied and monitored, serving as a deterrent to criminals. By placing lights near entryways, gates, and dark corners, a professional installer ensures that your home is well lit and visible from the street, making it less attractive to intruders. Motion sensor lights for added security. Many professional exterior lighting services include motion-activated lights that instantly turn on when movement is detected. This feature not only enhances security but also alerts you to any suspicious activity around your property. Energy efficiency and cost savings. While you may worry about the added cost of exterior lighting, professional installation can actually help you save money and energy in the long run. LED technology. Professional installers often use LED lights, which are significantly more energy efficient than traditional lighting. LED lights consume less power, last longer, and produce less heat, reducing your electricity bills and the need for frequent bulb replacements. Strategic placement. Professionals understand how to position lights for maximum effectiveness while minimizing energy waste. Instead of having lights on all the time, a professional will ensure that lighting is placed to illuminate key areas without wasting energy on areas that don't need it. Timers and dimmers. Professional exterior lighting systems often include timers or dimmer switches, which allow you to control when your lights turn on and off. Timers help ensure that lights only stay on for the necessary duration, and dimmers can adjust the intensity of the light, further saving on energy. By using energy-efficient lighting solutions and strategically placing lights, you can enjoy a beautifully lit home without the hefty energy costs. Improved outdoor living spaces. Professional exterior lighting installation can also transform your outdoor living spaces into functional and inviting areas that you can enjoy at any time of the day or night. With the right lighting, your backyard, patio, or deck becomes an extension of your home, perfect for gatherings, relaxation, or entertaining. Ambient lighting for relaxation. With soft, ambient lighting, your outdoor space can be transformed into a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings, even after the sun goes down. From hanging lights to ground-level landscape lighting, professionals know how to create a calm, soothing environment. Task lighting for outdoor activities. For those who love to cook or entertain outdoors, task lighting over outdoor kitchens, bars, or dining areas is essential. Professional lighting installers can ensure that these areas are properly lit for both safety and ambiance, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space to its fullest. Long-term durability and maintenance. When you hire a professional for your exterior lighting installation, you benefit from their expertise in ensuring the durability and longevity of your system. Quality fixtures. Professionals use high-quality fixtures and wiring that are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring that your lights continue to function effectively year-round, despite the harsh weather conditions that can occur in Southlake. You won't have to worry about premature wear, rusting, or electrical failures. Proper installation. Correct installation ensures that your lighting system is weatherproof and properly wired, minimizing the chances of malfunctions. Additionally, professional installers can also provide ongoing maintenance services to ensure your lights continue to shine bright for many years. Conclusion. Investing in professional exterior lighting installation in Southlake is a smart decision that offers a wide range of benefits, from enhanced curb appeal and improved security to energy savings and long-term durability. By hiring experts to design and install your lighting, you'll not only elevate the look of your home but also ensure that your investment stands the test of time. Whether you're looking to improve the safety of your property or create an inviting space for outdoor entertaining, professional exterior lighting is the key to transforming your home's exterior into something truly spectacular.